What's up with it? It's your boy McFly, man, the hardest working man in shoe-tainment today. Coming at you again with another real review. If this is your first time over here in the land of McFly, man, I welcome you. I appreciate you stopping by. Hopefully you hit that subscribe button and become a freaking flyer, man. Join the winning team. Also hit that notification bell, man, so they'll let you know what I got popping off in these YouTube streets. You know what I'm saying? Because I am the hardest working man in shoe-tainment today. As you can see, we got a box, and Nike finally decided to send me the right box. How about that? If you haven't seen my video about my Concord situation, you can go check it out. Lastly, we're trying to hit 300 subs by January 1, man. We got a couple days, so if everybody sub up, we'll be good to go. But now, let's get into this box, man. Nike gave us a little extra on this when it released, and they tried to do a draw on it, and then they came back with this, that, and the other. And there's a lot of confusion about this release. They released on back-to-back days, one at halftime in the Laker game, and again the following day. And if that didn't give it away to what the hell it was, maybe the box will hit on these bad boys off of good old Nike, as you can tell by the box. That grown man size 14 on the green box. This is a pair of King Jameses. Also, if you're wondering why all this heat's on the table, this is what I wore today, the Adidas Dimension Lows. If you have no idea what this shoe is, never seen it, interested about it, need any kind of information, I'll go ahead and link it in the video so you can click it and watch it. But for now, we'll go ahead and get this over. For those of you guys who don't know, I do real reviews, man. I don't open boxes. I keep them tied up on the PPs, and so you guys can get my honest reaction for real. I ain't one of them guys who look at it 12 times and then try to keep up my enthusiasm in the video. Nah, man. I ain't got time for all that faking. Shots fired. I don't know who they fired or who they fired. So yeah, if you haven't noticed by this shoe, we got the Superbrons or the Supermans or the Super, whatever the hell you want to call them, Lebron 16s. I've really been liking these 16s, but for those of you who are familiar, and for those of you who are not familiar, we're gonna get you zoomed in for this close-up action. All right, man, we got you locked and loaded on this grown man size 14 on these Lebrons, man. Just showing you guys the size tag so you don't get duped out there. Got that green LeBron James box with the logo on the Jumpman on the top. Pretty much traditional standard LeBron stuff here. Nothing major. As we get into the shoe here, I'm still on the fence as to what I really want to do with this. As to, do I want to keep it? Do I want to sell it? Am I gonna kill the streets with it? I don't really know. I like the shoe, but I don't know if I'm 100% sold on it. But at any rate, it has a all white battle knit 2.0 upper. This shoe actually commemorates the Lebron 3. That was a PE for LeBron that actually didn't release. So they put out the 16 paying homage to that shoe. Some call it the Superman, some call it the Superbrons, whatever you want to call it. This is what that shoe is. Outside of the all-white battle knit 2.0 upper, you have this patent leather wrap pretty much around the entire shoe, which is a navy blue color or Superman blue, if that's what you want to call it. It's pretty nice. I have really no complaints there. Here on your toe cap, you have this piece here. That LeBron 23 logo there, holding your lace, which was an added touch. Coming up, you have your regular flat white laces. This tongue is actually leather on these, and you have the lion print. I don't know how the camera's gonna pick that up. I may have to focus it to see if it'll go. Working on it. All right, either way, it's a line. It's a line on there. put these back on the spin. Red Jumpman here on that bad boy. Then you have your yellow toe cap. Yellow around the back as well. Going into the bottom, you have that dominant red bottom with your blue Dunkman logo here. Blue cap here on the toe. Coming into your medial side, you have the LeBron James logo here on the back end there. And LeBron's initials right here, which are LRJ, which I believe is LeBron Ramon James. Yeah, that's his name. That's his name. All in all, man, it's just a pretty solid shoe. I'm really loving the 16. But like I stated previously, man, I'm not really sure if I want to keep this or not. Going up your back here, this is weird to me. This is like hard. That's strange. Also on the inside of the shoe, you have the LeBron logo on the insoles of both shoes, blue insoles, whatnot. Nothing too special there. I would do an on foot, but like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna try to flip these later down the line or if I'm gonna keep them. So for now, we just gonna keep them DS until I decide what I'm gonna do with them, and I may come back and tack on the on foot at the end of the video or something. But for now, it's your boy McFly. I'll holla at you.